So, welcome to our YouTube channel. So, today's topic is how to install WhatsApp on Windows. So, let's see. Before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it. So, let's go to Chrome browser. So, click on Chrome browser. Just type WhatsApp web and enter it. After that, we'll get one option that is download. So, click on it. So after clicking on that, we'll get one tab that is download for Windows. So after clicking over it, WhatsApp setup will be downloaded. So it will take some time. It's almost 151 MB. So your net speed is fast, then it will download it fast. So our WhatsApp setup is downloaded right now. So double click on it. Setup is running now. Our setup is running right now. Just wait for a while. It may take 4 to 5 minutes. It's almost done right now. Okay. Okay, it's almost done. So they have given the way you can use WhatsApp on our PC. So on your mobile screen, you just open the WhatsApp and this tap menu, setting and WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp screen. So we'll go on it. So click on WhatsApp. On upper right side there is one option, three dot. So click on it. And again WhatsApp web. So camera will be on. Just scan this code. So after scanning, our mobile WhatsApp will be started on your PC. So let's see. So it's streaming right now. Okay. So if you are doing this first time, no, it may take some time. So you have to wait. Okay, so now you can see it. You can use it WhatsApp on your PC as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe our YouTube channel.